Director General ki pulit ke Jala Meghalaya ka kong ida shisha nongrang habakran mentagsi ha ka arpu atrek no pra arjar upsan sha ki pulit ki bdai ki officer ki bawan na kalang ke Jala hatan chate lamingi ke India bansha pentibet yala di ha North Eastern Police Academy kebadan halat umsau Hariboy District kalau ong balik se khatwe benai mensua habaki poi ha kene ke Jaka kin nam tip ayu ki habban le ka Director General ki pulit kalau ong babon sien ke ke bapiyo na ke jinghikai bat kabaya de shisha ha ki jingya kendo ki baman kasni ki long ki ba pher katta ken ka ba phila sha hikai ha ki ne ki khandat banai ka ka ba phisha hikai kam de mot ba phinya kendo ha ki jakatri kam ki jong phi namar kane ka kam ka ba phila jied ka de ka badan shibon ki jingya le ki jingya le ka ba phinse kendo kam de tang ki ba phi la sha hikai henre ki ba bon ki long ki ba khlem poi par khat ka long ba kane ka uniform ka ba kala phong manta lalai pulai snem bat kaba phiru phibi phang kalong kaba lak ya kre banya kendu ya kino ki jing kinong rem ki ba philayo na ki jing hikai ki long kom ki mau jam ban beten ti ha ki jing tri kam jong phi kani ka kam ka bala jied kalong ban aiti ala de na ka benta kari bat kat badang yai kisngi phin sa sngo tho na mar kin dan ki khep ki ba phin nom lak kre rupa henre kin sa sngo tho ba ka dan ka jing karmen bada ka jing kit clear bat ka jing aiti la de phin sala ban le lang ba ki jing hikai ka ba philayo bat ha ba phimi na kane ka jaka ai jing hikai kanipa kom upulit officer phim de ban kan ma bo om phide ban kan ma bo om de pa philong tang kom officer henre ka kam ka long ar sa kunta ki bala sha pentebet hanipa ha na ki shipau tali ki jala kri india ki long nre ngot bat ha kane ka kanti kaba mentak na Meghalaya ki don khatsan ngot ki pulit officer ki barsha ji banyo ya ka jing hikai ka bakarpang ha kate ka jaka hikai
all 68 of you. When you joined Nepal 11 months ago, well, it's going to be 12 months now, I don't think you had really realized what you all would be going through. As you pass out today and you leave Nepal to your various states and districts postings, you leave with you a number of things, not only what you have done to Nepal and what you have done while in Nepal, but also what you will be doing to uphold the name of your alma mater. As you walk out of Nepal's portals this afternoon and look forward to being back and actually going into the field and doing what the training is supposed to have prepared you for, you will be remembering a number of things that were taught in Nepal. You will also be comparing what you were taught and what is there in the field is very often very, very different. But that is exactly what training prepares you for. What you have done in the last few months in Nepal is not necessarily what you will find in the field. The field situations changes and you have joined one of the most challenging professions in the country. You will be called upon to face challenges on multiple occasions, challenges that not only will be challenges to what you would be doing professionally, but also to what your principles will be. After 33 years in service of wearing this uniform, the uniform which you have so gladly donned today, I can only say that be prepared and be ready to face the challenges. The principles you have imbibed in all these months in Nepal, the principles that brought you to this place in the first place, to Nepal and to the police service, those principles will be your guiding light in the days to come. What you will be asked and called upon to do will often go well beyond the call of duty. It's not just a saying, it is there and it is something that we will be living in day in, day out. We have before us a number of eminent personalities who have in their own way contributed towards what you are today. As you move forward and as you go through your profession and you dedicate your service to the nation and to the state to which you will be working in. There will be situations which you would have never been prepared for. At least you would have thought that this is something that I hadn't been prepared for. But you will learn, and I am absolutely confident that with the dedication and with the training and with the devotion to duty that you have exhibited in the last 10 months, 11 months, will serve you in good stead. You walk out of that Waterson Airport today, a police officer. You have to remember that a police officer is not just an officer. A policeman, a policewoman has to do so much more. Leave aside the 24/7. There will be times when you will have to choose between doing your duty and doing what. But as you grow in the service, I am absolutely confident that you will learn and you will be those shining lights for the nation and for the state. We have before us today multiple challenges. I keep harping on the fact that we have challenges. It is not only the physical aspect of the life that you will and the profession that you have chosen, but also the mental and the emotional. As you go through your service, don't forget that you have to have some time for yourself. You cannot afford to let your work overwhelm you. And for all the families that are here today, I would only say that the support that you have given so far will only grow, and the requirements of the support that you will give your children, your husbands, your wives, and your sons and daughters will only grow. Because without the family and the support that the family gives us, we would not be able to do even half of the things that we are called upon to do.